I tried making money with ChatGPT, Canva, AI tools. And within seconds, ChatGPT would give me high-quality, editable content. I posted the content on my blog and social media, and guess what? People actually started engaging. Even though I wasn't selling anything yet, I was getting traffic, likes, and shares, which is a good sign, right? The idea was that if I keep creating content like this, I could eventually start monetizing it through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. Next up, Canva. If you haven't heard of Canva, where have you been? It's a design tool that makes it super easy to create stunning graphics, even if you're not a designer. So I decided to use it for making social media posts, flyers, and even some digital products that I could sell. Canva is a game changer for anyone who wants to make professional designs without paying for Photoshop or hiring a designer. I made Instagram story templates, Pinterest pins, and even social media ads. Then I started posting them on platforms like Etsy and Redbubble, where you can sell digital products like printables, templates, and custom designs. And you know what's wild? People actually bought my stuff. Within a week, I had a couple of sales of my Instagram templates on Etsy. Not huge amounts of money, but it showed me that this AI-driven hustle could definitely work. It was scalable, and I didn't need to do much except create and upload. Now, ChatGPT and Canva were awesome, but I also wanted to branch out and test out a few other AI tools to make this process even easier. I tried Jasper for writing sales copy and Lumen 5 for video creation. Jasper helped me write email sequences and sales pages for a course I was thinking about launching. It gave me creative ideas, and the copy was pretty much ready to go. Lumen 5, on the other hand, turned my blog posts into videos in just a few minutes, which is awesome for YouTube or social media. Back on camera. I actually put together a course landing page and started promoting my content on YouTube using Lumen 5's AI video tool. And while I haven't made a ton of money yet, the idea is that once I scale this up, these tools could help me build a full-blown online business. AI is the future of content creation, and I think this is just the beginning. All right, now the big question. How much money did I make? After using ChatGPT, Canva, and other AI tools for a week, here's where I'm at. On Etsy, I made around $30 from selling templates and printables. I got a few sales of my Instagram story templates, and while that's not life-changing, it's proof that AI tools can work to create products quickly and efficiently. On social media, I gained a bit of engagement and followers, but monetization through ads or affiliate links will take a little more time. Back on camera. So while the profits weren't huge, I was amazed by how fast I could create content and launch products using AI tools. The possibilities here are pretty exciting if you're willing to put in the work. So, there you have it. Making money with ChatGPT, Canva, and AI tools is definitely possible, but it takes time, effort, and a bit of creativity. These tools allow you to scale fast, but success still requires consistency and marketing. Would I recommend trying this out? Absolutely. If you've ever wanted to get started with online business, AI tools make it way easier. And as they continue to evolve, the earning potential is just going to keep growing. You leaning in. Have you tried making money with AI tools before? What was your experience? Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the next hustle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.